Welcome back, everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML uniform resource locators. And right now, we'll be discussing about URL encoding. URLs can only be sent over the internet using the ASCII character set. If a URL contains characters outside the ASCII set, the URL has to be converted. URL encoding converts non-ASCII characters into a format that can be transmitted over the internet. URL encoding replaces non-ASCII characters with a percentage sign followed by hexadecimal digits. URLs cannot contain spaces. URL encoding normally replaces a space with a plus sign or %20, and that's all. So let me explain this clearly to you. Let's say, for instance, you have a URL. Let's say you have www.top10strength.com. You see that? Before I explain this, I want you to watch my previous tutorial on these HTML uniform resource locators, and also one tutorial that I've discussed about the character sets, HTML character sets, so you can be able to understand what is going on right here, because what is going on right here is so important to us. I want you to notice one thing here. URL encoding converts non-ASCII characters into a format that can be transmitted over the internet. That is, URLs can only be sent over the internet using the ASCII character sets. So if a URL contains characters outside the ASCII set, the URL has to be converted. So that's why it have to be what? URL encoding. So to what? To ASCII set. To ASCII set. So URL encoding replaces non-ASCII characters with a percentage sign followed by hexadecimal digits. That is, let's say for instance now, this 10 or this one, let's say for instance this one symbol now is not among the ASCII, so it's going to replace it with percentage and the ASCII value of this one, and the hexadecimal value of 1. In the future, I'm still going to explain this, because if I start explaining this here, you are going to get confused. But just have this in your mind. Let's say for instance now, let me say for instance now, we are having a 0 in our URL right here. So it's going to, the URL is going to replace the 0 with something with %20. That's what we are talking about. So it's going to be top space strength.com. So so I'm going to be explaining this for you guys, well, because you will not see that online, but I'm going to explain what you can find. You can find something with percentage and something like that, but you will not see something with space. You will not see something with space. Like, is it possible? So I'm going to be showing you that. Anwar Akorede Ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time. Have a great day. Thank you so much. And to the next. Bye bye.